Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix age check error when you try to unlock chat. So without further ado, let's get started. So all you need to do here is to press on more, then you need to go to a settings, then you need to go to privacy and content restrictions. And then here on content maturity, select moderate. If it's possible, select restricted, right? If you don't need to verify your age. And then what you need to do here is to just go back and your problem should be fixed. And guys, if you're still getting error, then what you need to do here is you need to go to your phone settings. In my case, I have iPhone, so I just need to be on general. On Android, maybe it will be a little bit different, but you just need to clear your Roblox app cache. And then you just need to go and look for iPhone storage. Then you need to scroll down until you see Roblox, right? It should be somewhere here. Show all. And let's look for Roblox. And once you found Roblox, you just need to press offload app, offload again. And what it does is simply Roblox and press reinstall again. And in this way, you will basically clear your Roblox cache and your error should be fixed. So that's pretty much it.